Brenda.
I'm not Brenda, you're Brenda. Hi, Brenda. Her channel is now called Brenda Land.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Nuh-uh.
It is.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Leila Land, my wonderful little wonder crumpet. I love you all. Look who's here! Charlotte's here. Hi, Charlotte.
Hi, Mummy.
Hi.
Hi.
So Charlotte and I thought we would film together because we leak that.
And we love each other.
We do. It's a
very,
good job.
very much.
Can you imagine if we didn't?
No.
It's no secret. Leaks makeup. You leaks makeup.
I like makeup.
So she wanted to have a play, didn't you? So we're gonna film a video where Charlotte does my makeup, and then we're gonna film another video where I do Charlotte's makeup. So look out for them both, please.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Oh no. So let's just crack on, shall we?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, queen.
So you've chosen some palettes. So she's chosen so far the Makeup Revolution as was, now Revolution, Mermaids versus Unicorns palette, which is beautiful. Let me open it so you're not getting glared at. So yeah, she's chosen the Mermaids versus Unicorns palette, which is just beautiful and full of some lovely blues, greens, purples, shimmerness. Shimmerness. I like that word.
Me too.
Shimmerness. So she's gonna.
I also like your little dance.
My little.
Yeah.
Oh, it's like a bit of an underwater scenario.
Yeah.
How very apt. So yeah, she's going to be using that on me, and we'll just see what happens.
Yes.
Shall we just get going? Over to you.
Thank you.
This is completely your shebang.
Shebang.
I'm going to zoom them in so they can see what you're doing. No pressure.
Thanks. Okay.
You might have to sit really close to me. I'll just
no.
shut my phone up, shall I? Because, you know, Layla's hotline and all that. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm so lucky.
Yeah.
Right then, here's your brushes.
Thank you for my brushes.
There's your palette. Here's your face. Do you want me to hold the brushes, Tot?
Yes, please.
I do like to be useful.
She
and
does.
also, if I don't have a job to do, I do get into mischief.
Again, she does.
I do.
It's so cute.
I made that, I did. In the 80s, there used to be a comedy sketch, words, from Griff Rhys-Jones and Mel Smith. Oh, high five me, thank you. And they used to sit, thanks, and they used to sit like this across the table, just being like, and like just saying funny stuff. Come on.
Okay.
So, look in your palette and see what you're going to do.
Mhm. I used the wrong colour. That's fine. I won't.
It's alright. There's no such thing as the wrong colour. There's no such thing as rules with makeup. Just remember that. There are techniques for doing things, but you can always experiment and find your own technique and what works for you. Only ever use somebody else's like tutorials or techniques as a guideline. There's no rules to makeup whatsoever.
Yeah.
Apart from don't poke me in the eye. That's quite an important rule.
Yeah.
So Charlotte, we are in the middle of the summer holidays here in Britain.
No. No, we're not.
Alright, we are. Charlotte's just not having it. What's been your favourite part yet? And yes, that first. I won't ask you 75 questions at once.
Spending time with me fam. Because I don't do that much.
No.
No, I don't. So.
And you promised me you weren't going to be a teenager, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then she became a teenager and fully became a teenager, just in a room ignoring everybody constantly.
Yeah, but I'm not ignoring you now.
No, you're not. You've done really well this summer holidays. You've been with us a lot more, haven't you? And we really like you. I worked hard on making you. I mean, you know.
Yeah. Should I do it up? Should I do it up to like your brow?
It's totally up to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay.
Just do it. Do what you want. Oh, how very 80s. Ooh. What do you want to do next?
Foundation.
Foundation.
Like Kardashian.
I do love a Kardashian.
She do.
So I've got out for the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I use, is it 1C? Yeah, 1R/1C, which is Rose Ivory, and it's a really pale one, but with a pinker undertone.
Yeah, I tried to escape. Bopper.
Right, so another question. What are you into at the minute? What are you loving at the minute? What's
Music.
Music? Don't get it on me talk. Go on then, you can still do while you talk. What kind of music are you loving at the minute?
Nightcore music.
Nightcore.
Very cool.
What are you enjoying watching at the moment?
Disney movies.
You're loving a bit of Disney at the moment.
Lips.
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 Wait till you see what she's picked out.
As you can tell, there's a theme.
Do you remember when I got this in a haul, the I Heart Revolution Mermaid metallic lip colour? Was it like Siren or something? Yep. Metallic mermaid lips in Siren. Ooh!
I have not done a theme. I have not.
Right.
Left.
Less is more.
Less is more.
It stains, as in it's one that stays on. So careful where you're putting it. If you put it up my face, it's staying up my face.
Yeah.
Pray for me, people. Pray for me.
It's so pretty.
Smell it as well.
It smells like the ocean.
Hey Siri, take a note. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Take a note. Take a note. Take a note.
Okay, I created a note.
Thank you.
Of course.
Right, so left from the things you got out that you chose, we've got the highlighter and the blusher.
Blusher.
There's the blusher brush.
That was a terrible high five. I'm so proud of her for saying that properly.
And she's using my thoroughly broken Revolution Golden Sugar blush palette. Which is well loved, I like to say.
Very well loved.
No mirror on it anymore. Well,
that's the mirror.
sort of there. Okay, so she's chosen the I Heart Revolution Mermaid's Heart highlighter brick.
Don't forget to tap.
Dub, dub, dub.
Doop, doop, doop.
You happy now?
Yeah.
Look how shiny. Ooh, I'm so shiny and healthy from within and mermaid-like. Do you like it? Are you happy?
What would you rather be?
Hamster egg! I'd rather be shiny!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Moana.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I do it in a corner?
Ooh, yes! That was fun! Was that fun? Did you have fun? Yeah? So, Charlotte is just starting to practice with makeup. You've not really played with it that much, have you?
No.
But you do love it, don't you?
I have
she's-
like a massive, not massive, but a basket full of makeup that I don't really use that much. 'Cause
Well,
I'm
no,
scared.
but this is what I'm trying to get across to you though. Like, she loves makeup and she's got a basket of it in her room and she really enjoys getting it. But you get quite scared to play with it, don't you?
Yeah.
But that's the point. It's like it's just there to be played with and experimented with and messed about with, and it's trial and error. So you try something, and then you learn whether that works or not.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, don't do that again then. And if it does and you like it, do that again.
Yeah.
But that's the point. You're supposed to play around and watch tutorials and get some ideas and just have a play. I mean, if it goes wrong, take it off and start again.
Yeah.
You're not tattooing your face, are you? So it's,
No.
you know, it's fine. There are no rules. Just, you know, you just don't want your foundation to be patchy. So the way you want to think of it is your skin is like if you were painting a picture, Your skin is like your canvas. So that's the one you want to get looking flawless and no gaps everywhere and no brush strokes everywhere. And then everything else you just put on top. But there's no rules to what colour you put on or how much or where or anything else. So it's all just about playing.
Yeah.
So by all means, grab your makeup, sit in front of that mirror over there and just have a play about with it and see what you think. It's, you know, that's the point. Not one little girl or little boy picked up makeup at 13 years old for the first time and went, oh, I can just do it perfectly.
Yeah.
Like, it takes practice, like everything does. Well, that was fun, Charlotte. Thanks for being on my channel.
You're welcome. I always love being on your channel.
You do, don't you?
That was a good high five.
It was. High five for the high five. Yeah, baby! So yeah, if you've enjoyed this one, go and give it a big thumbs up. Go and leave Charlotte a comment and let her know how she did. So yeah, like one of the first ever times she's used makeup. Definitely the first time you've used colours that are that bold.
Yeah.
And let's all remember, she's 75% blind. So I think you did a ruddy good job there, matey.
Thank you.
A ruddy good job,
matey.
So yeah, go and leave her a comment and let her know what you think. Leave her any tips. Let her know how you started out with makeup and what you've done to learn and get better at whatever it is you do well. Doesn't have to be makeup.
My face hurts because I'm smiling too much.
That's good. That's good. So yeah, we're gonna go now and massage Charlotte's aching cheeks. And we will see you next time. So make sure you subscribed, make sure you've given it a big thumbs up, make sure you've commented before you leave. Have an amazing rest of your day, whatever it is you're doing. We love you very much and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.